is Runli Guo. I work for JLT Group as the Business Information Security Officer. And the key takeaway for today is to learn how to be prepared and how to respond to cyber incidents in the consistent fashion. So I really enjoyed the interactive sessions to play a red team and blue team towards the end, to use all the knowledge we learned today and do the exercise which helps us to remember all the things we've been talked about. Yes, I think it will be useful for senior management to have similar training, because this training is not really deeply technical and it is more towards the management team who can, at the crisis stage, make the right decisions.